Here's how to build a website with Zyro. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First, open your browser and search for Zyro. Click on the official website. Zyro promises a fast, easy, and secure way to build your website without any coding. Zyro is powered by Hostinger, which is the best domain and hosting service today. Zyro offers a lot of free templates that you can easily customize in the Zyro website editor. Let's begin by signing up. I'm opting for the Google account sign up, but you can choose your preferred method. Once signed in, you'll need to pick a template. Zyro offers a range of fully customizable ready-made templates across categories like portfolio, blog, fashion, and resume websites, and many more. Let's take a preview of this school template. Once you've selected a template, hit the Start Building button at the top right corner. You'll then be taken into the Zyro website editor, where you can fine-tune the template to your heart's content. But first, let's take a quick tour of the editor. Next, and there you go, tour completed. Now, let's dive into customizing the template. The navigation bar is looking good, so we'll keep that. For the header section, I'd like to add another button beside admission. Just click on the Add Element icon and drag and drop the button to the header section. I want an About button. You can add a link to the About page and fully customize the button style. And the animation will run only once with page loads. The sections are well placed, but I'm feeling the need for a newsletter section between these two existing sections. Click on Add Section, choose Subscription Form, and with a bit of customization like adding a photo, it's ready to go. Speaking of customization, just above the footer, let's add a contact form. Choose the form you like, then click on it. Your chosen form will be added to the page. Hover over the form, then click Edit Form, and you're set to receive emails, view submissions, and add form fields. Navigating to the Layer option on the left sidebar, you can manage all your pages here. Editing the About Us page, I'll swap out the heading image effortlessly using the media library. Minor tweaks, like highlighting the first paragraph heading, are just as simple. Now let's streamline the pages. Click on the gear icon next to the unwanted 4th grade page and select Delete. Amazingly, the page link is removed from the main navigation as well. This means that page navigation and pages list sections are synced with each other. Saving your changes is a breeze, and you can even preview them before going live. Remember, changes remain in draft mode until you decide to publish your site. When you're ready, click Go Live at the top right corner. But before your masterpiece is unleashed, you need to choose a plan. Zyro's not free, but it's worth it. Zyro offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the payment process is secure and speedy with SSL encryption. They accept widely used payment methods, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Take your time to explore all the features, find the perfect plan and subscription period, then fill in your payment info and choose a domain for your website. Confirm your order, and within a few hours of successful payment, your website will be live on your chosen domain. And that's all for this video. Embarks on your journey of creating a dream website with Zyro. Happy website building!